there, Denise here, DeniseSanger.com, but the fitness site is howtostayfitover50.com. I apologize that I have not updated you lately on the hysterectomy journey. That's what I was looking for, but I've already started, so I'm just going to keep on going. I'm using my holder that I use when I'm kayaking. Anyways, today's segment is to talk to you about what I learned by failing to lose weight after my hysterectomy. I think probably the most hit articles on my website, along with the most watched videos besides video on sex after hysterectomy, is about weight loss. And I was there too. I was so focused on trying to lose weight. I apologize. I just came. You can see I'm a little bit still sweaty here. I just taught 2 classes. I have been teaching 9 fitness classes a week for several years now. And even with all that activity, I still wasn't losing weight. And I was so focused on trying to lose weight that it was actually doing more harm than good, because you become obsessed with that. And I didn't realize how obsessed I had been with weight loss until trying all these crazy things, and including, I was on keto for a while, and I had a doctor's appointment, a follow-up doctor's appointment, and my blood pressure had gone up 30 points, and they ended up doing a complete blood panel, but you know, all that good stuff that they do, and my cholesterol was through the roof. You know my theory, one size doesn't fit all. Everybody is absolutely different, and you have to find what works for you. I learned real quick that keto, I had initially lost a few pounds, but it stopped after 2 weeks, and I really wasn't feeling good. But everybody around me was having these phenomenal results of losing weight. So I kept trying to use that to lose weight, because it was just crazy after my hysterectomy, and it's all in my belly. So after that blood panel came back, and I found that my cholesterol was through the roof, my blood pressure was up 30 points. I said, okay, this is obviously not the right program for me. Now, I do have in my genetics, my father passed away at 44 of a massive heart attack, and the cause of death on his death certificate is hardening of the arteries. You think that would be a light bulb moment, right? So I stopped keto, and what I focused on was taking care of my heart and getting my blood pressure back down to where it was supposed to be. And within a few months, I went back for my follow-up, and my blood pressure was back where it was supposed to be, which is like 112, 115 over 70, 72. Now, I attribute that to a few things. First of all, definitely Tabata, because when you're doing a high-intensity interval training type of workout, you're working your heart really hard for 20 seconds, and you're giving it 10-second rest to recover, and then you go right back at it again. And I had switched my Tabata class. Not only were we doing more cardio, we were lifting heavier weights, and I really think that was a big part of it. And then somewhere along the line, this is a crazy thing, somewhere along the line, all of a sudden I have an aversion. To this day, I won't eat beef or pork. I grew up on beef or pork, figure that one out. And now I eat shrimp. I would never, ever eat seafood. And I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that one out. But I'm now pretty much 80 to 85% vegetarian. I will eat chicken. And it's not off limits for me. It just doesn't taste good. It's really weird. I don't know what happened. It was just, and my husband's concerned because it was an instant aversion to it. Whatever it was, it's benefited me. I feel much better than I have in a long time. I am eating 3 meals a day. Mostly, like I said, 80 to 85% of my diet is vegetarian. I'm eating eggs for protein. On the weekends when I'm hiking or kayaking, we do go out to lunch. And usually what I have is shrimp. And I am now down 14 pounds. But it was a side effect of working on my blood pressure. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. I know, especially if you're just coming off having that hysterectomy, that's what your focus is. You're so focused on losing that weight. But I want you to think about something. The female body is absolutely amazing. If you think of the transitions and the phases that we women go through, childhood, then quote unquote becoming a woman, starting our periods, bearing children, raising those children, going through menopause, and a man's body doesn't go through that. I mean, the pelvis alone and the cervix, how it expands to allow that life to form inside of us. The female body is absolutely amazing. So, yes, I get it. You want to lose weight, but maybe don't stress about it so much. Focus on feeling good in your skin again. Go back to basics. When we were kids, we only ate 3 meals a day generally. I know that's all I ate. Now, of course, I'm getting close to 60. I'm 59. And we played outside all day long. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, we were in, and back out the door we were. Go back to basics. Drink your water. Focus on eating 3 clean meals a day and move your body. Okay? That's the best thing you can do for your body as far as exercise. I absolutely can't recommend Tabata more or yoga more. If I only did 2 exercise programs, it would be Tabata because it's a high intensity interval training, and it would be yoga. Those 2 are what you need. It strengthens the body from the shoulders all the way to the tip of your toes. I do teach online. You're welcome to join me online in these classes. I'll put the link below so you can join me. And whatever is going on, I hope you're feeling pretty good. If you just had a hysterectomy, give yourself time to recover. Love your body. Love yourself. I'll chat with y'all soon. Bye. It's DeniseSanger.com or howtostayfitover50.com. Bye, y'all.